Let's discuss about the project panel. In the left side, we can see the window which shows us the project panel. It will contain the details about the project that we are going to implement. These are the dependencies. Every UiPath project will contain activities as a basic block through which we can implement a project or process. So these are the default activities that we will get with every new project. If I just click on manage packages, I see there's 4 activities as default packages. If we add a new activity package, it will appear over here. So we'll leave them as it is. And then there is a settings folder and there is a main XAML file that comes along with a new project. We have dragged a message box activity to display something, and there is a JSON file. Let's explore what it is. To open this particular project folder, we can click on this particular icon over here, File Explorer. If I just click on that and open it using Notepad++, I can see it contains the basic details of this project, the name of it, the description of it, the main XAML file that it has to invoke, the dependencies of it, and which language are we usually using. It's Visual Basic right here. And I want the password activities to be private and many other values. It can be studio version, project version, schema version, and many of them. Okay, so this is a place where we will organize our project. Suppose I try to add a new XAML. I'm just copying it and pasting it. So if I just come over here, I will click on refresh. So here is my file. I can open it. Okay, if I'm just trying to create a folder right here, suppose it's sample folder. Let's quickly go over here and refresh it. So here is my folder. I will try to move this particular thing into this, and I can see. So here you will segregate your reusable components, your application dependent XAMLs, to make it a lot easier for someone to understand your project when someone comes and look after for the support period. This was about the project panel, and there are few other options that you can try exploring. If you want to expand all, you can click on this. It will show each and every thing available in it, and you can collapse it. Okay, here is a simpler view of it. You can refresh it if you are trying to add some files to it, or you're trying to do some modifications to the project. You can just click on this to reset it. And this is something where it will show every folder, and if you want to hide few other unnecessary things that you can't open using Studio, you can click on that. And this is to open the particular file folder, and the settings is where you can change the project name, description, and you can have some naming conventions being set over here for everything, variables, display names, and all that, to maintain the consistency throughout the project. And here are few other activities that you can set. These are few things that will be applicable for the whole project. And then here we have the screenshots. So whenever we use some application that has some screenshot attached to it, assume I am using click activity. I'm spying this thing. See, there is a screenshot being generated. Here is the folder which will contain the screenshot. This particular screenshot is this thing. If I just want, see, suppose right now I have just, let me click on this, it's not going, right? So if I just remove this and save this and then do this, it has gone because that screenshot was not used anymore. So these are the different options available in project panel for us.